Okay, so just a little project update video here. I decided to form like a little sidewalk section so that we could access the new side of the patio directly from concrete. And so it's kind of like a little step up in the situation, but essentially it's like pouring a little sidewalk. Again, in this situation, I just hand mix the concrete in a tub. I put the stuff in. And in this case, I did use a little wire mesh just because I had some. I don't know that it'd be absolutely necessary for this application, but I figured why not. And then I used a specially cut piece of fencing material to do the screeding. I basically cut a notch so that I could rest the screed on top of the ledge of the existing pad to screed out the walkway pad. So I just kept adding the concrete and kind of floating or troweling as I went, made everything as smooth as I possibly could. And then I eventually came back and I did cut some control joints in it. I did one control joint at the seam, and then I did another control joint in the center of the remaining section of concrete. So just a little update, just wanted to show you guys another section of the patio. So I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe Kistel. Please consider subscribing and or liking. Thanks.